The scale of the ongoing Ebola outbreak in West Africa is unprecedented. So far, more than 455 people have died from the virus, and there are reports of at least 750 more cases. The World Health Organization says it will open an emergency response center in Guinea to help deal with the region's outbreak. A fund to support research into the disease is also being set up. These are some of the strategies discussed during an emergency meeting of West African health officials. CCTV's Katerina Vittozzi has more now from Ghana.
They came to find a common strategy to tackle the Ebola epidemic. At the end of this two-day meeting, they believe they have one. West African officials agreed on implementing better coordination, better resource sharing and cross-border strategies to fight the outbreak. According to the World Health Organization, it's a breakthrough.
This was an intense, inconvenient, and so important 2 days of discussion. This was a meeting with a purpose. This was a discussion with a purpose. Everybody dropped everything to come here because the end result of this discussion is that people in the region are going to be better off. I have no doubt about that.
Since March, this Ebola epidemic has killed more than 455 people across Guinea, Sierra Leone and Liberia. To help, the World Health Organization will open a response coordination center in Guinea. It's calling on international partners to help fund it and other Ebola programs. The cost, $10 million over the next 6 months. The tables are now being cleared at this two-day conference, which hosted 135 delegates from across 11 West African nations. From the outset, the World Health Organization has stressed that although the Ebola virus has only been reported in 3 West African countries, it's a threat to all West African nations. That is a message that fellow governments have taken on board.
This meeting has also given us the opportunity, especially in the countries affected, that they are not alone and that the whole world is standing with them.
With a verbal political commitment now in place, the WHO says it's time for action. But on the ground, the situation is difficult. The Red Cross has temporarily closed its Ebola management center in Guinea after its staff came under attack, meaning fewer patients are getting the treatment they desperately need in order to stop the spread of this deadly disease. Katerina Vittozzi, CCTV, Accra, Ghana.